So I'm doing, I'm on that 4 days a week.
But just looking at your dolphin, right? So a lot of times people are not strong, they can't get the head this way, so you have to press through the shoulders.
Right.
So they'll be very much forward on them on the plank. But you weren't, so you were nice to be, you had your shoulders tossed back. Yeah. Nice to be a good you know? But I could just see that there was strength there in your whole thing. I mean, you said it was hard, whatever, but you did it.
Yeah.
And
I've
there was strength
been
there in
working
the
on
arms.
strengthening all this back muscle.
Yep.
Chest
I
muscle.
think that's key, especially like some of the things we're doing here, lifting up that chest.
Yeah.
You can feel all along the back, with those big supporters on each side of the spine.
Yeah.
And those to me, I think are key. If I get those strong, and people talk about core, right?
Yeah.
And you think core is all good.
Oh, it's.
Yeah, it's here. I mean, you just think about,
So,
and we do all this ab stuff and we end up accentuating this roundness in the
Yeah.
back, which is not good, but we want to actually pull the shoulders
Right.
back. Be more this way. And what and the group down too, they're like, they come in, they know each other, they sort of support each other. It's just become a real great group, and it's she's getting my name. She's like 6:15 in the morning, and then she's like, she's built it up, and it's great. It's really fun. So if you can get to those, if that works for your day, that's nice too. Yeah, those are anything that's all level. I would say too that you're pretty good. You know your body. You kind of adapt yourself too. So I feel like, unless you felt bad being in a 1-2 again.
no, I mean, I know that I have to do modifications.
Yeah, and you're familiar with what to do.